Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon or good evening, wherever you are. Thank you very much for joining for the call. And we'll today walk you through the digital transformation of your field supply chain, mainly using direct store delivery. Yes, second, I'm having feedback.
Today we are going to talk about the field service automation of delivery process and few other processes. So who is Crave Infotech? So we pride ourselves to bring following five things together. One is of course the SAP Cloud Platform, and we have our pre-packaged solutions. I just want to clarify one thing is that our prepackaged solutions also work without cloud platform. So cloud platform is not absolutely necessary in most of the solutions. Then also we bring Zebra, RFID and mobile computing technology and geo enablement from here technology or Google technology, Google Map. So we bring all these ERP, cloud platform, prepackaged solutions, mobile computing and geo enablement, which is a map together to bring to you one solution. We on the right hand side, we specialize into warehouse management, enterprise asset management, field service and supply chain. And also we have solutions around AI, RPA, and blockchain offerings. A little bit about Crave Infotech. We are a 13-year-old company. We are SAP partner. We have PE sell, PE build, and PE service, all the three partnerships. So we sell, we co-innovate, and we provide the delivery services through SAP. We are Zebra's premier ISV partner and also reseller. So we also resell Zebra hardware, and also we are a ISV and reseller for here technology. We have global presence. We are headquartered in New Jersey, and we have physical presence in India, Brussels, Africa, and also USA. List of our we already talked about the partnerships. So SAP, Zebra, Google, Amazon Web Service, we are also partner with them and we resell their space, and also here technology. List of our clients: energy, utility, power, gas, water, oil and gas. We have mining, retail, chemical and petrochemical, pharma and life sciences, Siemens. So I don't have to explain what they do. Comscope is another high-tech manufacturing, and public sector, City of Tacoma, and also life sciences and healthcare customers. So it's a very small sample of customers. We have several other customers too. Let's now just jump into the direct store delivery. So what are the current challenges? Of course, lack of real-time visibility of delivery processes, loss of revenue due to missing delivery confirmations, manual process of route planning, routing, vehicle booking lead to high processing time, inaccuracy, excess resources and costs. Loss of revenue and customer orders due to manual ordering process, printing receipt. So that's a challenge if you need to print receipt and give it to customer. Real-time update to ERP system. If you are on a paper-based system or offline or file-based system, the real-time updates are challenges. And also the visibility of the field workforce. So you want to make sure that you are delivering on time, you are delivering to the right party, you are getting their delivery confirmation. Also, you want to make sure that you know where your people are, they are doing what they are supposed to, and they are safe, and you are getting real-time updates. So let's talk about what's there in the DSD itself. So if you look at, and you'll get all these decks, there's a lot of text in some situations. So we have direct store delivery solution has three key functionalities. One is delivery confirmation for your delivery orders. Second is return. So if you have return orders scheduled, your person can go and pick them and complete the backend processes. And third one is new sales. So our solution is also capable of capturing new orders. In addition to that, there are few other functionalities like loading your truck, vehicle inspection, truck inventory, and expenses. So your Driver can capture expenses, and there are reporting. So these are all supporting functionalities to the 3 core processes. So this is a quick overview of the application. If you look at the right hand side diagram, the ERP, this can be anything. This can be SAP, this can be Oracle, this can be Infor, any ERP system. And we have a dashboard or platform which is connected assets and IoT, which basically allows you to monitor your vehicles, monitor assets, jobs, and employees. So it can be GPS enabled devices fixed in your vehicle, or you can also monitor through mobile. We have a mobile application. DSD application has also location monitoring capabilities, and they will send signals. So on the map here, you can see all the jobs or deliveries or return, right? Also, you can see who is where, and you have your customers. So you have graphical view. We typically exchange jobs. Jobs means it can be delivery, it can be service order, it can be sales order, it can be work order, any one of them. Also, we exchange employees, equipments, and assignments. Equipments are typically vehicles. On the mobile application side, we have vehicle inspection, load space optimization, truck inventory, delivery, return, and new sales process. Also, we can do route optimization. So the connected asset application also has the ability to do the route optimization. We can download that route to the mobile phone. You can capture proof of delivery, and then feedback and rating. We can also capture customer feedback. Quick view of the how the application looks like. We have a couple of flavors of this, and we are going to look at the application also. Also, one of the features here is on the connected assets, you can do plan versus actual. You can plan the routes, and you can do what is the actual route taken by the person. You can also capture different timestamps and run reports. And if there are any deviation, if your person is in safety danger or he's in a danger, we can create different alerts, like somebody is speeding, somebody is at one location more than certain time, somebody is not moving for a certain period of time. You can create those alerts so you know what's going on. So that functionality is also there. Moving on. So this is the view of the connected assets and mapping solution. We can also do indoor mapping within the plant or private property, and also we can do the routing and mapping for public areas. Some of the additional features about, of course, it is fully configurable, integration with out of the box with SAP and transport management, and we provide APIs and OData connectivity for integrating with any other ERP system. We also can do geofences. We can look at the past history using breadcrumb trail, plan actual, and we can also monitor the potential theft of the vehicle. We have a mechanism by which we can trigger that. If somebody starts a vehicle in the middle of the night, you will know that somebody is trying to steal a vehicle. And there are configurable event based alert platforms. So we can send alert to SMS, through SMS or through email. We can do those integrations too. This is a lot of information. What are the business challenges and how we resolve those, like manual processes. Typically, it's the research indicates that typically 3 hours per day is spent in manual route planning, which you can get away with. Customers are left waiting without knowledge of delivery arrival, right? We can send, we also have capability to send customer that Joe is going to arrive at so and so time or a time window. We can also inform them along with picture, Joe's picture. So there is no security issues. Lengthy process of proof of delivery to get back to company and process. So typically now, if you are manual process or if you are connected through batch processes, then somebody is taking the details and then they will come back to office, they will submit into the system. So your whole day is gone, sometimes more than a day. Your inventory is not updated. You don't know what happened yesterday. You don't know how many orders are not delivered, and you have unsatisfactory customer. So we'll share this, and then you can read through some of those I already talked about. What are the top questions by our customer? How can I find delivery arrival time? How can I find product available to promise? Online delivery tracking, over delivery, under delivery, and customer refusal options, built-in route optimization, digital receipts and EPOD. EPOD is electronic proof of delivery. Truck inventory. How do I know what's left in my truck? Can I, if I go to a customer location and they have ordered for 10 cases of a drink, and then he says, I have a party coming in, can I have one more? I should know what's more in my truck, what I can give it to him so that I can satisfy. We can help you meeting those. Also, you should be able to get customer feedback. I have seen some companies who they are very particular about customer feedback. So they should be able to give star rating. They should be able to give feedback, independent feedback, which will help you to improve your services. And lastly, vehicle inspection. So our process also allows to separate the vehicle loading and the delivery into two pieces. So you might have a group of people who load your vehicle in the night or early in the morning and keep it ready. So when the driver comes, he verifies what is loaded. They both sign and he starts driving. So you have separation of duties, you have readiness, so driver is not working on loading the vehicle. So we also have that option. So this is it's a very small text you're going to get, but this is basically, we have divided into 3 packages based upon your needs: silver, gold, and platinum. So silver package basically allows you to do the delivery assignment, fleet and driver assignment, delivery confirmation, and job assignment. So those are the simple functions which are available into silver. So that's your electronic proof of delivery. Gold package allows you to do proof of delivery, route optimization, delivery confirmation, and so forth. And then the platinum gives you everything, right? So you can pick and choose what package. We can do it between 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 8 weeks, depending upon which package, depending upon your readiness of your backend for connectivity. Our applications work with B1, or it can also work with ECC and S4, all of them. Another important thing is the applications are developed using UI5 Fury technology, so they are responsive. So the same application working on tablet, the desktop, a mobile phone, doesn't matter. They are capable of scanning. They are capable of taking pictures. So if you want to want him to take a picture and send that picture of delivery, if the customer is not there, you can do that. So all those functions are included as a part of the offering. With that, I'm gonna, Manish, are you ready to share the screen?
Yeah, Ajink is sharing the screen.
Okay, go ahead and share. So now what we'll do is we'll actually look at the actual application on a mobile, how it will look like on a mobile. I will also show on the desktop too. Yeah, go ahead, Ajink.
Okay.
So this is how the application looked like on mobile device. He's sharing his screen. So you have 7 tiles here: checkout, delivery return, new sales, customer. So you can also maintain the customer data. You can even create a new customer. You have a dashboard. You can capture expenses and the truck stock. Go ahead. So first step is the checkout. This is where either a driver or anybody who is actually doing the vehicle inspection and keeping vehicle ready can follow this all. You can take the fuel level, air check, wheel nuts, electrical. So you are also capturing the health of the vehicle as everyday part of the process. You are also capturing odometer. You can also capture temperature. If you have temperature sensitive goods in your truck and it's important for you to maintain and capture temperature at different time, we also allow that. Then you are basically now starting to load the product. Now for this specific load, we don't have lot. So we are only loading one item. That is the item number 160. It's a whole wheat bread, and he's going to load a bunch of them, as many as he wants. So you can see this screen also tells us how many are required, how many are loaded, and how many are remaining. So this also, before the person goes onto the field or on the road, it clearly indicates what is not there in his truck. So he knows what more items are required. Please proceed. Now he has loaded the truck, and now he can sign. He can take we can take his signature. So whoever has loaded it and who is the driver, both can sign. This is not mandatory. Okay. You can bypass this if this is not mandatory, but you can capture this information electronically. Okay. So now the truck is ready to go onto the road. So we can look at the delivery. Let's go to the delivery. So you can see how many orders are open, how many orders are completed throughout the day as they are worked on. We have 2 orders. You can see the shipping notes. You can see the customer info. You can see the details of the items. You know what is the total cost of it. Can you show the shipping notes and customer info, please? Yeah, so what are the shipping notes you want to provide? It can be put at the front door. Customer is not going to be there. There is a dog. Whatever the notes you want to capture, you can keep those notes. Can you go to customer info, please?
Yes.
So here we capture the customer information. You can even make a call if your phone has a plan, a network plan. You can see it on the map. You can send an email. So those functions, standard functions, if the email is invoked, then he will be able to send that. Is there anything you would like to show here, Ajinkya? Okay. And then once I check those details, these details are always available for me. I can go into the order. So within the order, in this particular version, you don't see all these statuses, but we can also put the statuses. So you can have start, in progress, reached at the customer. We can have those statuses and we can capture timestamps, and you can run the reports, who is most efficient, whether he was on time there or not. Okay, go ahead, Ajinkya.
I just want to showcase the truck stop when you load the material, so the driver can able to see the stock.
We cannot hear you, Ajinkya. Your voice is low.
Hello. Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, I would like to add one more functionality that the driver can able to see the truck stop runtime. So while delivering, how many stock is available. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. Show it.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the order details, and now the driver have to deliver that material. So I just explained that how he can able to see the stock in the truck. Now he can go and enter the quantity. If have a barcode, then you can see that in the right hand side, left at the header part, there is a barcode. So the driver can directly go and scan the material as per the quantity, and he can directly go for the automatically the quantity will get increased based on the scanning of the material. Then he can have an option. He can go and attach some pictures if there is a requirement. He can do that also from the same application. can see that the camera and gallery part is there, so you can store the pictures of that because sometimes customer is not available, but then we have to drop the material at the customer. In that case, he can take a camera. He can use the camera and take a picture of that particular delivery. I'll click on the proceed. Proceed for the payment. So whatever the payment mode of payment are there, they can choose the mode of payment. We can configure with the system also. The default payment mode are already applicable for the customer, and automatically the default payment mode will appear on the screen, and you can simply click on the OK payment receipt. We can integrate the payment gateway as per the convenient, and we can directly use the different kind of payment methods like an Paytm, PayU, now as considering the digital transformation of the payment.
Ajinkya, you are too fast. Can you go back to that screen, please? I think there is a lag. Just go back to that screen.
I think I done the payment.
Okay. So there are different payment methods. You can take cash, you can take credit card, you can take check. Based upon the payment method, it will automatically ask you more information. If you select check, we'll see that in the next sales process, and it will ask you the details. Okay. Now, customer, you can also capture customer signature. Go ahead. And the remarks. In this screen, we are capturing the customer feedback, and if there are any additional comments from the customer. Also, we can capture if they would like to see any other promotional products with the next delivery. So they can, if they say yes, we can also provide them list of the promotional products, and they can select what products they want. Go ahead, Ajinkya.
Okay. So you can see that the order is completed in the completed time.
Okay, let's go back to the main screen and
Sure.
show the new sales process. So like what we did, so this was the delivery process. You can also, a couple of things we haven't shown here is you can print receipt. If you have a mobile phone, mobile printer, you can print receipt, you can print invoice, you can print delivery. So where there will be a customer signature, so those processes are also available. Let's go for new sales. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is a dashboard where you can see the tool performance. It shows how many are in process, how many are completed. You have seen 3 are completed, 1 is not completed. He has already entered the travel expenses, so expenses will be captured. We'll enter another travel entry.
And you can see the odometer departure. So when you check in, then you can able to see the last one.
So all the summary is available. Good.
So do you want me to create a new customer, new sales person, right?
Yes, please. So all these fields are basically, you can define, we can add fields, we can modify fields, we can make which is mandatory, which is not mandatory based on upon your requirement.
So I just created a new customer. Now we will navigate to the new cells. So you can see that the Crave Infotech new customer is created. So in this screen, the driver can favorite their customer. So based on that favorite mechanism, we'll take an example. I just favorite that. So based on that, we can sort the customer list. Right now, these are the 4 customers are on the screen, but there are chances that there are plenty of customers, like 100 and 150 customers. In that case, they can sort the customer. They can search the customer based on the name and the code of the customer. So I just selected the customer. So based on the customer details, the business are appear. The customer code, the customer name, contact person, the address of the customer, and the list of the materials are appear on the screen.
So we can also filter the materials which are only assigned to this customer. They will see those materials.
And they can
And it's
have
very
options.
easy to use. They can filter by the type. Yeah, they can filter by type. They can filter all, and it's very easy to use. They can just increase the quantity like we use these days any e-commerce portal. Go ahead, Ajinkya, just add few.
So I added into cart. So now I'm navigating to cart.
Okay.
Here you can apply discount. Means if the customer asks for the discount, then if the discount is applicable for the material, then you can define the discount.
Finally, you can select all the sold to, build to, and this will all come from the SAP backend, whatever is allowed for this customer. If they have multiple shipping location already defined, we can pick up those. Any customer reference, when the delivery date is required. We can also do the ATP and find out when this material will be available. If the ATP is maintained in the backend, we can bring that information.
Then payment method is there. You can go card and cash.
And we can add more payment methods if you want. If you have mobile payment, we can add those other payment methods. Yes.
Then order confirmation email.
Also
And you
define
can
who you want to. Yeah. Send it to one or multiple email addresses. Okay. Let's show real quick. Okay, good, very good. Let's show the expenses and the inventory reconciliation with the essence of time, and we'll keep time for.
Okay, so the driver can add their expenses. So there might be a different type of expenses. So those expenses can be traveling, food, accommodation. If driver have a 2-3 days delivery time, then he can have a internet expenses, office expenses. So that kind of expenses he can use. The dashboard, as you see that I have just added one order. That was the order total order count is increased with 1, and you can able to see it in the pie chart also. The process you can complete it, and I can have an option to see the tool progress. Truck
Very
stock.
good.
So right now, as per the checkout process, I started the demo the application. I loaded only one material with the 6 quantity, and it demonstrated that the driver has delivered that material. So now, as per the truck stock, there is no any quantity is remaining in the stock. So the application will give an idea the real time stock in the truck.
Excellent. Thank you, Ajinkya.
Okay.
Is there anything you would like to show? I think that covers everything, right? Okay, thank you very much. So taking it back, I would like to also show that how this application works on different platforms. Let me share my screen. So what Ajinkya was showing is on a mobile device, right? So this is the same application, how it will look like on a desktop or a tablet, right? Same application. So I'm simulating how responsive it is. If this is how it will look like on a tablet, phone. This is how it will look like on a tablet. And this is how it will look like on a desktop. So same application, same code base works everywhere. Okay. It adjusts behavior. It works on Android, it works on iOS, it works on Windows also. So all three, it has scanning capabilities, image capture, and we can also do a few other things if there is a need. Going back to my presentation. So these are the different packages available. And I just want to talk about more about different offerings. So Crave Infotech has around 50 plus pre-packaged solution. Today we only discuss about DSD, which is in supply chain, right? So we have warehouse, direct store delivery, vendor connect, truck loading, whole asset management. So maintenance, calibration, scheduling, planning, all of that functionality. We also have production order management on the shop floor. So confirming your production order. We have several dashboards. We have order to cash, so field sales. So we have now 2 more webinars, tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we are going to talk about the customer portal and vendor connect, these 2 solutions. So vendor connect is vendor digital network and the customer portal. So these 2, if you are interested, please feel free to join those sessions at the same time tomorrow and day after tomorrow. We also have a lot of approvals, PR, PO, invoice, notification, work order, project, connected assets we just looked at. This is the one which keeps track of telematics, geo enablement, route optimization. And also we have employee performance for human capital management. So that's our complete offering. Especially for COVID situation, we are offering 90-day free trial for DSD application. So if you are interested, please reach out to us and we can help you to expedite your delivery. It can be delivery, it can be returns, it can be new sales into the field. What are the next steps? So we can discuss your direct store delivery process challenges with our solution expert. Reach out to us for scheduling detailed demo with our team and visit us at the App Center where you can see all of our applications. So if you type in SAP App Store, you can see all of our applications, or you can go to YouTube, we have a channel, or you can go to our website and all of the products are listed. You can reach out to us at Shrikant at Crave Infotech or contact@craveinfotech.com and we'll be happy to help you. We'll open up for question and answer.
So thank you everyone for joining today us for this webinar.